Welcome to English Echo.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn English by having a simple conversation. We will speak slowly and explain new vocabulary while talking. This is easy English for everyone. Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'm ready. I think I want a latte.
A latte? You mean the coffee with milk?
Yes, exactly. Latte means coffee with milk.
Okay. I want an iced tea.
Iced tea? Cold tea with ice?
Yes, cold tea. Very refreshing.
Refreshing?
Refreshing means it makes you feel fresh and cool.
Ah, refreshing. I like that word.
Hi, can we order, please?
Sure. 1 iced tea.
And 1 latte, please.
Anything else? No, that's all. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Anna, you always drink iced tea.
Yes, because it's light.
Light? Like not heavy?
Yes, light means not heavy. Light drink, light food.
Oh, I see. My latte is not light. It's creamy.
Creamy means thick and soft, right?
Yes, creamy.
Here you go. 1 iced tea and 1 latte.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So today we learned refreshing, light, and creamy.
Yes, refreshing, light, creamy.
Repeat after me. Refreshing,
Refreshing,
light,
light,
creamy.
creamy. This was fun.
Yes, learning English through everyday conversation.
See you next time.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. We hope you learned some new words today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. See you next time.